What's up, everybody? Just gonna give you an update of what I've been doing here. I had to put on a actual brake light and battery. This thing that I was using, this thing here, it is great for bikes. It's nice, high quality, but it only works like if you have a bicycle with, let's see that? That's the brake light, and then it just turns off after a few seconds. But with all the vibration in the bike, it doesn't pick it up. So what I did was I took a little 1300 milliamp hour LiPo, put it on there, and I have a drone power distribution board that I covered in hot glue so that nothing would happen, water wise. So all I gotta do is plug that in, and then here we go with the brake. See? Too easy. So most of these brakes, when you get them, are already wired. So what you need to do is run 2 wires off of that, okay? And down, you hook one of these to a positive and the other one to the red that comes off that brake light. There's 3 wires in that brake light: red, yellow, and black. Yellow and black are your positive and negative, and the red one is for the switch, okay? Doesn't matter which one, it's just an on and off switch. So as you can see, I pull that, and that battery will run that LED for probably 3 days before it needs to be charged up.